Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the wallpaper and style. Here you can see our wallpapers section. There are all of default wallpapers on our device. Here we got the downloaded folder with the downloaded from the internet wallpapers, and also here we got the device gallery. So here you can select the previously photos if you take the photos previously on your Samsung smartphone. So we'll go with the default ones. For example, we can go with this wallpaper. Click here and we want to change our lock screen, so click to the lock screen and tap to set on lock screen. Wait a second, we'll see here the message that wallpaper applied successfully. And as can you see, we just really successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just hold for a while your device screen, and here on the left down corner you'll see the wallpaper section. Click here, and by the same way you can select one from the available wallpapers. Tap on the wallpaper, click to the lock screen, tap to set on lock screen, and now if we'll check, we can see that our wallpaper is applied successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.